So if you have the Hero 9, 10, 11, or 12, GoPro released an accessory alongside the Hero 13 that I actually think is worth it for all of those other ones. Let me tell you why.
Mr. Black.
And by the way, welcome to the channel. If you like gadgets and gear, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Don't be a stranger. And if you like GoPro accessories, hit that like button. YouTube will keep feeding you that kind of content. And I'll put the links to everything down in the description. Now, I did a whole video highlighting some of the new accessories that are mainly exclusive for the Hero 13. But I thought that this product actually deserves its own video. Because if you have the Hero 9, 10, 11, or 12, this is a great way to upgrade without upgrading. And here it is. This is the Contacto, an official GoPro accessory for around $80 US. And it's a battery door that can just pop on your GoPro and it plugs into that USB-C port. And it has this little magnetic point right here, which we'll come back to. It also comes with 3 different cords. You have a 4-foot cord, a 1.5-foot cord, and a very short cord with USB-C female to go to any USB-C cord. So you can pop this battery door on your Hero 9, your Hero 10, Hero 11, or Hero 12, and obviously the Hero 13. And you can plug this in for charging your GoPro or even plugging it into your computer for data transfer. For example, I'll have the 1.5-foot cable and it's plugged into my computer. So whenever I film with my GoPro, I can actually take it to my desk and I can just pop it on right there. It'll immediately connect to that computer and I'm able to download the files really quickly and I'm just ready to go. Also, if I'm going on a road trip and I want to get a really long time lapse, I could have this 4-foot cable and it could be running out of the car, going to the GoPro or running to another spot of the car, and it could be plugged in and just keeping it charged up the whole time. And because it's magnetic means there's nothing exposed, so you don't have to worry about rain or dust or dirt getting into it. Which also means it's great if you want to capture even longer star time lapses. Like you can capture the whole night having this thing plugged into like a power bank and you don't have to worry about your GoPro overnight getting rained on or dew in the morning. And what I love about the small one here is that I could take this with me anywhere I take the GoPro so that I'm kind of covered if I need to get the files off the GoPro easily or just have it charged up. I can just keep this with that GoPro anywhere I travel and I know I'm covered. So yeah, it works great with all the past 4 GoPros, and I think this is a great little accessory to get if you own one of those GoPros. And I just wanted to make a quick video on that in case you have one of those GoPros and you're looking for clever ways to keep it charged up and all of that good stuff. And if you want to see some other GoPro accessory videos, you can click and watch this one over here, click this one over here, this one over here. Yeah, I've made a lot of GoPro accessory videos. Check out any one of those, and I'll see you there.